So, okay, so today is going to be a little bit different. Right? Okay, so always so today we're looking at first of all, let's go. And I feel like you guys can hear me now. So if this audio is okay, just let me know. Is the echo too much? How about now? I feel like the mic is okay. So to right, which we also did, and we took out this liquidity here, and also price gave us. I said I was expecting to see price come down a little bit before we buy and sweep out liquidity here, which we did. We swept out liquidity here, swept out all this liquidity, and we have this supply zone that I was expecting us to tap into. That was during NFP, right? So I took this trade. I said, let's expect price to get to to this supply zone. And once we get to this supply zone, to those of you that just joined, can you hear me? If you can hear me, please just put echo is active in the chat. Make yourself visible so I'll be sure everybody's with me. Can you hear me clearly? Please, if you can hear me, just put echo is active in the chat box and let's just make yourself visible. So, like I was saying, I was expecting price to just tap into this supply zone, pull back a little bit. All right, cool. All right, Wisdom, I can see you. Thank you. All right, so I was explaining. I said in the last live session, I said I was expecting price to get to this supply zone, which we did. We tapped into, we sold, and we came back again and we sold. We rejected at this point. In my own opinion, what am I expecting to see gold do? All entry yet, right? Only if we would sell short term. If we sell short term, right, we will now have opportunity to buy. Price might even come as low as this. I don't mind. But for now, I'm not seeing any clear entry. So I'm not going to trade gold for today. Maybe till I see an entry. Reason because I have a principle that states or that says wherever we trade what we see. So if I'm not seeing a clear entry, I am not even planning to okay, you know what, guys? Am I sounding clear? Please, am I sounding clear? Am I echoing? Is the echo okay? Is it all right? So I was saying, if I don't see an opportunity to take a trade, I am not going to take that trade. Hence, I feel the market is going to go down a little bit before we sweep our liquidity. So for me, I'm waiting to see price. We have core CPI on Wednesday, right? We have CPI this week, but not today, not tomorrow. No, we have core CPI. Now, core CPI is going to tell us if there's going to be a hike in interest rate or it's going to drop, right? So that being said, I will just have to chill. But for me, in all honesty, I want to see us sweep out liquidity around this supply zone, and also come here to sweep out liquidity. I already explained this to most of my students, but I decided to come on here to also share insights so everybody is not left behind, right? So I'm expecting to see price sell off a little bit and buy later on to this zone. Now, this is short term. On gold, we're having short term sell. We're not selling right now. But on gold, we're having short term sell. And while I'm analyzing US oil, please, if you have any charts you want me to or any me to analyze, just help me put it in the chat box. The pair you want me to analyze for you. Whatever pair you want me to analyze for you, just put it in the chat box. So okay, this is US oil. I've been saying I want to see price fill up this guy here, this gap the market left here, and price got close to it. It didn't fill up. We started retracing. So for me, I'm still expecting us to come back down here, right? Come back down here and now start buying. Now, if we are buying US oil, right, we should be selling gold. Now, short term, if I'm expecting to see gold sell short term, I'm expecting to buy US oil short term, right? For me, I'm expected to. I'm coming. Sorry, guys. Okay. So okay. Right. So, sorry. Like I was saying, so I'm expected to see price buy up a little bit. Then we fill up this guy. I want to see this place being filled up. To be very sincere, once we fill it up, I can see this guy, right? So let's look at GBP USD. GBP USD. When we look at GBP USD, US, and even cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and all those things. So, okay, for I guess let me just go live on TikTok also. Let me just go live on TikTok also, since I'm live on YouTube. All right, so for GBP USD, in all honesty, this guy might buy a little bit because we might buy short term, right? If we buy short term, sweep our liquidity here, we might now come back down again. Hence, there's no clear entry. The market has just been ranging. If you look at it from, if you look at it from, is my network shaky? All right, so the market has just been ranging. So I personally don't like to trade ranging markets. And from what I'm seeing here, price is actually trying to give us an inverse head and shoulder, right? Price is actually trying to give us an inverse head and shoulder. And let me see. So this is the inverse head and shoulder. This is the left neck head. Boom. So I want to see us buy short term. I want to see us buy. Yeah, what's good, guys? Welcome in, welcome in. So I already analyzed gold and US oil, but I'm if time permits. But if you want me to analyze any pair for you, just put it in the chat box. I'm going to analyze it. Right. So this is GBP USD I'm analyzing right now. So we might buy short term for GBP USD because we have liquidity resting around these areas, right? We have liquidity resting around this area. So we might buy, should I switch my network, okay? Okay, so sorry about that. My network just froze. But Euro USD and GBP USD, Euro USD and GBP USD is just they move almost in the same way, right? They move in the same way. So let's see GBP USD. I mean, let's see Euro USD. Sorry. So Euro USD. Uh, Pretty much Euro USD is not really giving us any clear direction. If I'm being sincere, it's not giving us any clear direction. So I would say let's avoid this guy for now. You guys can't hear me. You still can't hear me. My network keeps fluctuating, so it's connecting and reconnecting. So I don't know if that's the reason why. Let me see if I'll switch my connection again. It's not even showing that anybody is on here, but I'm seeing you people's comments. Hmm. No, not you guys on TikTok. Can hear me. I'm talking to the people on YouTube. Can you guys hear me? I guess my connection keeps fluctuating. That's why it's happening like this. So can you hear me? If you guys can hear me, people on YouTube, okay, fine. My network keeps fluctuating. So, like I was saying Euro USD is not even giving us any entry right now. It's not giving us a clear direction, and it's just crazy. It's just crazy. So we would have to avoid it for now. It's looking more bearish, if you ask me. It's looking more bearish. So for the person that asked me to analyze gold, I don't know if you're still here. I don't know if you're still here. The person that asked me to analyze gold, are you still here? Are you still here? If you're not here, you can just probably come back and watch the video later on. But this is gold. So I said I'm expecting to see gold sell off short term. Then we buy. Let me see if I'll even see an entry on this guy because I'm interested in seeing. Okay, we have this guy. Oh wow, we've missed this entry. We've missed this entry. So let's see. Let's see. If gold can actually just do this for us, sorry. If gold can do this for us, I might I might just have to sell it short term, but I'm still not having a clear entry here yet. I'm more interested. I'm even seeing more entry, a clearer entry on US oil than gold. Oh wow, this guy left us already. US oil. Okay, okay. You're going with speed. This guy is going with speed. It's going with speed. So if price gets to this place, let me see how price is going to react. This is for US oil. Let me see how price is going to react. And if price NFP last week Friday, the market is just trying to recover from everything that just happened. Hence, on Wednesday, like I said, we have core CPI. And that core CPI, the market will have to recoup and get itself back before we continue moving. So for me, I'm more interested in this US oil short term sell to around this region. Sell to this region. Once I see that, once I see this particular move from here, I'm just going to start buying because this is my target actually. I'm just going to start buying for real. So, any other pair you guys want me to analyze before I call it a day? Any other pair? Any other pair? People on TikTok also, please, if you have any pair you want me to analyze for you, just do well to put it in the chat box. I'll be looking at it. People on TikTok, people on YouTube, wherever you're watching from. If you have any pair you want me to analyze for you, just put it on the chat box. All right. So I guess since there's no other question or anything, I guess we'll call it a day for now. We're going to call it a day for now. And probably if there's any other information that needs to be passed or any change in the market, I'll have to post it in my Telegram channel. And yeah, for those of you that are not on my Telegram channel, for those of you that are not on my Telegram channel, this is what my Telegram channel looks like. And actually